Hi, I'm Ben and welcome to my YouTube channel, Recipes Around the World. I'm the creator of Recipes Around the World and I invite you to check out my blog at recipesaroundtheworld.com where you will find a rich selection of food and beverage recipes from around the world. Now this video is a part of my bartending series where I'll be walking you guys through how to make drinks across 11 categories in the bartending universe. And today's category is highballs. And the drink we're going to be making today is a classic gin and tonic. Now a little history on this drink. This drink was allegedly created by British officers from the British East India Company when they occupied India. That's allegedly what the story is. Again, this is a classic drink, very popular drink, a very simple drink to make. Quick note on highballs. Highballs are always served in highball glasses, 9 to 7 ounce glasses like this one. Usually start it off topping off with ice, add in your alcohol base, and then your 1 or 2 mixers. In this case, it's a very simple combination. It's our gin and our tonic, and we're gonna garnish it with a lime. So let's make this drink quickly. So we're gonna start off with some ice. We're gonna start with our gin. I'm using a free pour, as I've said in other videos. Whenever I make drinks for myself, I mentally know how much 1 ounce, 2 ounce, 3 ounces is, so I don't really need a pourer. You can use a free pour or a measuring pour. There are measuring pours which can gauge the amount of liquor served. So we're gonna do 1 ounce, and I also have a measuring glass here, which I recommend you get if you're not good at counting ounces. So we're gonna pour 1 ounce of our gin. Add in our tonic. And we're going to garnish it with a lime. And to finish it off, add in your straw. And ladies and gentlemen, you have a gin and tonic. Very refreshing drink, classic drink, highly recommended, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. Please follow the blog at recipesaroundtheworld.com. Again, I'm Ben, this is Recipes Around the World, and I hope you enjoy your drink. Take care and cheers.